The number of billionaires in the world has been increasing every year, driven by the growth of economies, technological innovations, and new opportunities for wealth creation. Here's a look at the number of billionaires in the world each year. 2022, 2,668 billionaires. 2021, 2,755 billionaires. 2020, 2,095 billionaires. 2019, 2,153 billionaires. 2018, 2,208 billionaires. 2017, 2,043 billionaires. 2016, 1,810 billionaires. 2015, 1,645 billionaires. As you can see, the number of billionaires in the world has been increasing steadily over the years, reflecting the growing wealth and prosperity of countries around the world. This increase is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit and the drive for success that is present in many people around the world. However, it's also important to note that the number of billionaires in the world is not evenly distributed. In fact, the majority of billionaires in the world are located in just a few countries, including the United States, China, and Germany. Overall, the number of billionaires in the world is a reflection of the growing wealth and prosperity of the global economy. While not everyone has the same opportunities to become a billionaire, it's exciting to see so many people achieving financial success and creating new opportunities for others to follow in their footsteps. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to learn more about wealth building and financial success, we highly recommend checking out Wealth by Adella Pasos. This book offers valuable insights and practical tips on how to build and manage wealth. Click the link now to purchase your copy and start your journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and solutions for everything. Thanks for watching.